Take a moment to check out the 2022 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, power liftgate. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.